brother finally got the call. 350Z is ready. I'm on my way to go pick up my brother. I still have to stop by the bank, get the money out, and then go pick up the car. Oh shit, oh shit. People don't know how to drive, man. Okay, yeah, go pick up the car, see how it drives, see what was wrong with it. I'll keep you guys updated, and yeah, stay tuned. You know, it amazes me how many people break their neck when I'm passing by. It gets quite the attention. Kind of reminds me of the time that I would see Evos, and then I would pretty much fanboy. It's crazy, you know? It reminds me of the time where I would see these cars and then pretty much just dream of owning one, and now that I have one, it's like, if anybody, you know, wants to get in the car or drive the car, I pretty much let them, because I was in their shoes at one point, you know? I'm just trying to return the favor, trying to give people opportunities that I didn't have when I was a kid. So if any of you guys see me, you want to drive the car or just, you know, check it out from the inside, sit in it, whatever you guys want, just let me know. I'll be more than happy to let you guys, pretty much. You know, it's just a car, but there are many people who wish they had this car, and sometimes I take that for granted. So whenever I see people in the street getting excited when they see it, it kind of like reminds me, you know, how lucky I am to even have the opportunity to buy a car like this. Check out the Sears Tower. Sears Tower is right there. In case any of my non-Chicago people are watching. I think I'm in the right place. Hopefully I'm in the right place and not lost like always. Hi.
What's up? Still gotta go to the bank.
I know. For those that don't know, this is my brother. You guys, the Z's right here. Just waiting for us to pick it up. Let's go inside, see what they tell us. See you guys in a bit. What if he got pulled over as soon as he got it? That would have been pretty epic, no? Oh man, he's coming right where we are too. What do you guys think about his wing? Do you like it? Well, what the hell happened over here? Damn, they're searching that guy. Holy fuck. Damn, they blocked him. What the fuck? As far as issues, according to the mechanic, it had a fried ECU. We don't know exactly what caused it to fry out, but yeah, he got a new ECU, programmed it, and started right up. This is a second ECU that he goes through, so maybe he has a short somewhere. But hopefully it doesn't happen anymore. But we'll see, right? Stay tuned, subscribe. Make sure to subscribe to see if the 350 breaks down again. Okay, so a lot of you have been wondering what's gonna happen with the Evo. I got a lot of plans for it. I gotta fix the body first. I'm thinking of getting the FQ400 front bumper for it, and the Vertex. Is it the Vertex? I think it is the Vertex. The Vertex wide body. But yeah, what I plan to do with this car is pretty much make it wide body. Since I don't know if you guys have seen, but I got hit by a semi a few months ago and I still haven't fixed it, so I might as well just say fuck it, you know, and go all out. Yeah, as far as color goes, I think I'm gonna wrap it Nardo gray. I'm not too sure, but Nardo gray will most likely be the color that I go with. Performance, I do want to put a bigger turbo on it, but for now I'm mainly just focusing on looks. I'm trying to get the side skirt extensions, I'm trying to get the front bumper, do the wide body, and then just wrap it, call it a day. And then maybe, I don't know, we'll see what happens performance wise. I'm pretty happy with how it runs right now. It has like 300 horsepower. I haven't dynoed the car, but I'm pretty sure it's around like 310, 320, somewhere around there. It's really not that fast. People think Evos are fast, but they're really actually slow when you have a stock one, at least. I remember when we were little kids and I had always wanted the 350Z, and now he has the 350Z, I have the Evo, and it's crazy. I'm pretty much living my dream, essentially. Yeah, next up is a GTR. Hopefully after the GTR, work my way up to get a Lamborghini, but that's in the future, of course. For now, I'm just gonna focus on modding the Evo, building it, do a complete makeover on the 350Z. My brother has a bunch of spare parts for the 350Z, so I'm gonna start a new series called Project 350Z. Every time we install a new part, I'm gonna upload a video to that specific playlist so you guys can check it out. I haven't driven the 350Z in like a year now, so I'm pretty excited to drive it again. I mean, that's like the car that started it all. Once we got that car, we started going to meets, started hanging out with different people, met a lot of different people, and it's kind of like those people that I met because of the car are the ones that I still hang out with. You get me? The good thing is that we got the 350Z back, so I'll be able to make more content for you guys, so it should be pretty exciting. Unbelievable, Lalo. Unbelievable. Anyway, did I ever tell you guys how much I hate Chicago weather? It was like 60 degrees out in the morning and now it's like 30. So that's gonna be it for today's vlog, you guys. I just wanted to update you guys on the 350Z. Finally got it back. Update you guys on what I plan to do with the Evo, future plans for the Z, and that's about it. I was gonna drive it for you guys right now, but I think I'm gonna wait until next video. That way I could get more footage, since it's about to get dark and I'm pretty tired. I had to wake up early today. So yeah, I'm gonna get home, take a shit, and edit this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Do your thing, you guys. You guys know what to do. Share it with your friends. And yeah, I can't wait to see how big this channel pretty much grows within the next couple of years. So yeah, stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.